DaVinci Resolve, made simple. Here's how to make the typewriter effect on text in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure your text is text plus, not just basic text. If you can't find your text, make sure the Effects tab on the top left of the screen is open. Search for Text Plus and drag it onto your timeline. Select your text box and navigate to the inspector in the top right corner. Under the Title tab, scroll down to Write On. Place your playhead on the time when you want the text to start writing. Left-click on the keyframe button next to the Write On slider. Drag your playhead at the time you want the text to stop writing. Left-click on the keyframe button again. Then, click the little arrow pointing to the left of the keyframe. This will navigate the playhead to your first keyframe. Once there, drag the slider to the left until the text on screen is gone. Now, as you play back, the slider will move in between the keyframes and the text will appear that it is being typed onto the screen.